Hello, my name is Pauline RN. Welcome to my channel. The title of my video is Stress Adaptation, Coping, Family. Please hit the thumbs up button. Please hit that subscribe black button. Please share this video with your friends, families, classmates. My first question, questions and answers taken from RN Nclex examinations. What are your extended family? And the correct answer, the extended family is your nuclear family plus grandparents, aunts, cousins, nephews, nieces is your correct answer. Next question, what does community health offers? The correct answers, community health offers access to healthcare services to treat illness and to promote health. My next question, what is developmental stress? Next, the correct answer is developmental stress occurs as a person progresses throughout normal changes and developmental from birth to adult to old age. My next question, what is long-term stress? Correct answer, results in anxiety, depression, panic attacks, forgetfulness, abusing drugs is the correct answer. My next question, the family is viewed as what? Correct answer, the family is viewed as a unit of function, goals separate from other individuals. A family, people learn health beliefs and values. A family is viewed as a group of people living together with acceptance of homosexual family, single parent, adoptive parent. These are definition as a family. Next question, traditional family is defined as, the correct answer, a family, traditional is a family. Each family member affects each other. When one gets sick, health promotion in the family can affect the entire family. This is a traditional family. Traditional family is a family. Each family member affects each other. When one gets sick, health promotion in the family affects the entire family is the correct answer for a traditional family. Next question, we're talking about defense mechanisms. What is defense mechanism? Correct answer is a way of dealing with stress. Example, denial, projection, rationalization, regression. In defense mechanisms, patient uses it to manage stress and to reduce anxiety. Briefly describe how exercise can relieve stress is your question. Benefits of exercise includes improved musculoskeletal system function, weight control, more effective cardiovascular function, relaxation. It improves the sense of well-being, relieves tensions, and enable one to cope with life better is your correct answer. Nurses should teach patients to exercise 3 to 4 times a week, 30 to 45 minutes each time is your correct answer. My next question, describe how rest and sleep can relieve stress. Correct answer, allows the body to maintain homeostasis and restore energy levels, provides insulation against stress. Teach your patients relaxation techniques are often helpful to decrease stress. Next question, how does nutrition play an active role in decreasing stress? Correct answer, nutrition maintains the body homeostasis mechanisms and increasing resistance to stress. Teaching clients about proper nutrition is the correct answer. Next question, how does define mild anxiety? Correct answer, mild anxiety is present in day-to-day living, increased alertness, and increased perceptual fields, motivates learning and growth is your correct answer. Define modern anxiety is your next question. The correct answer is narrow person's perceptual fields that focuses on specific immediate concerns with inattention to details is your correct answer for moderate anxiety. My next question, define severe anxiety. The correct answer, severe anxiety creates narrow focus to specific details, causes all behavior to be geared towards relief. Severe anxiety creates narrow focus on specific detail, causes all behavior to be geared towards relief. My next question, what is panic? Correct answer, client loses control and experience dread and terror, increased physical activity, distorted perceptions and relations, and loss of rational thought is the definition for panic. Please thumbs up this video. Please hit your subscribe black button. Please share this video with your friends, your families, and your classmates. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Stay blessed.